Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining this presentation. A special thank you goes off to the seminar directors, with a special mention to Tina. And it's a pleasure to meet some of my favorite researchers in this seminar. My name is Erfan, a PhD candidate in learning environment design. As you can see, the research titled Optimizing Learning Environments, a triple-fold strategy to enhance the currents of learning situations. This presentation is divided into two parts. The first part is process and the second part is about findings. I would like to begin my presentation by posing this fundamental question: where do learning situations occur within schools and how do they impact students' learning? This question is crucial as it directly related to the significance of research, which aims to introduce a special strategy to enhance flexibility and tutorial cohesion in learning situation. It must be acknowledged that the term learning situation underscores the fact that the students' learning activity are always situated based on the space, social, and epistemological. Understanding the significance of research requires careful consideration of the following key factors. In today's interconnected world, education must embrace a culture of collaboration, special organization, and other pertinent elements. The concept of schooling must evolve to align with requirements of a global perspective that considers social, economic, and a variety of other influences. Living in the dynamic world necessitates viewing the learning environment as a complex system. The identified knowledge gap highlights the opportunity to redefine the meaning of learning environment. In traditional educational settings, the design of school spaces is typically based on their fundamental purposes. As an example, according to our sponsor research, a corridor was traditionally viewed as a mere pathway for movement. However, emerging ideas about the learning situation are challenging this notion by suggesting that spatial layout can extend beyond the basic functionality to encompass a variety of configuration that interact synergetically. In the case of corridors, they can serve as more than a passageway. They can also function as a versatile spaces that support a range of students' activity and foster interconnected spaces. The purpose of this study is to provide a new perspective on a spatial layout of schools in order to align more closely with teaching method, enhance students' engagement, and promote inclusivity. This qualitative case study aimed to analyze 57 higher school architectural plans of Iran. The data collection process involved evaluating sample using diagrammatic morphological method. And during the analysis process, the abstract diagrams were identified, categorized, and classified to reveal the spatial connection with these schools. The result of this research has been accepted to publish in IJAR, International Journal of Architectural Research. The initial research finding pertains to a spatial configuration. As you can see in this image, the process involved 4 steps, beginning with analyzing the school plan and culminating in the emergence of a spatial configuration. This method of spatial configuration is rooted in diagrammatic morphology, which aid to understanding spatial relation and allocation. The second image showcases the configured school spaces. In this particular case study, 4 distinct models of configuration have been recognized. The first 2 models exhibit limited spatial diversity, while the latter 2 models demonstrate more robust spatial configuration with a variety of potential scenarios. According to the finding of this study, the research has identified 3 access systems within a school spaces: corridor, hub, and hybrid system, combined elements of both. These systems function as a school spatial spine, supporting the fluidity and flexibility of the school environment. Understanding the access system of a school is crucial, as it has the potential to enhance the school's agility and efficiency. The linking system plays a crucial role in shaping the connection between learning spaces and a school access system. In our research, we have identified 3 distinct learning systems, as it's illustrated by diagrams. The direct linking system involves a common connection between space and access system, resulting in a seamless blend between the 2. The non-direct linking system relies on a third element to bridge the gap between space and access system. The hybrid linking system resembles a pair option, but with a unique twist. In this case, the third element is not a ring, but rather a belt that tightly integrates the 2 systems together. The research results demonstrate the conjunction of school spaces through a triple-fold strategy. The initial fold, which pertain a spatial configuration, focuses on organization of students' activity in relation to learning activities. While this aspect often relies on traditional pedagogical methods, involve configurations such as learning neighborhoods can facilitate a range of teaching approaches. The second fold, concerning access system, introduces 3 types of spatial connection. This connection is crucial for improving a school flow and directly impact the school efficiency. And lastly, the third fold, known as the linking system, acts as a bridge between a spatial configuration and access system. This system has the potential to create diverse learning situations that promote students' engagement and as a temporal space. I appreciate your attention, and sorry, I was really tired as here is night. Thank you.